Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will talk about how you can rotate the SSH keys in your instance, in your EC2 instance or either any other VM you are using. Okay. So considering you are using Linux, and I will guide you what steps you can take to rotate your existing key. Okay. These are the steps that we follow. So let's jump right in. Okay. And we will click on launch instances, VM1. The name of the instance is VM1. I'm selecting Ubuntu here. Okay, OS that I'm using. And I'm continuing with the data paper. Okay, let's create a new Keypair. I'm naming it Keypair 1. Okay, fine. It will be a pen because I will not be using Putty for connection. And I'm continuing with the RSA default. Okay, let's save it. Okay, so here's the part that I'm allowing SSH from anywhere. Okay, you can use your private, sorry, your public IP if you are using in production environments. Okay, so if it's for testing, you can use like from anywhere. Okay, and the rest is default. Okay, so EC2 instance is about 50. Perfect. It's up. This is the public IP. So the software that I'm using to connect to this EC2 instance is mobile extremely. You should try it. It's really user friendly and I've been using it from last 6 months. Okay. So I created a new host. I'm specifying the username will be Ubuntu and I will choose the key pair. This is the key pair. Let's name it SSH key rotation. Okay. Perfect. Let's see. Okay. It's connected, right? So the first thing that you do is that you VM is up, this thing, okay? We have to do. So our first API is working perfectly fine. So our VM is connected. Next step is to create another key pair, okay? And when we generate any key pair, it generates the private key for us, okay? So I will go here, I will name it key pair 2, okay? I'm using pen, I have created it, and it will be downloaded. Okay? It's downloaded now. Now let's go to downloads. This is the one, and now what we have to make sure that it's definitely not. Yes. I will open this with Notepad. Okay, so this is my private key. Okay, I will copy this, go to my EC2 instance, and inside it, I will go inside SSH, ls, and I will name it. I will create a file now. Keypair2. Okay, so it will help me identify what's the file number. And now save it. Okay, so what we did here, we opened the file Keypair that we downloaded from EC2 instance, and then we copied it here. Okay, and now the next step. You have to make sure you have the right permissions for this, as it has, you can see it has read write for other users. So it wouldn't be, it's not allowed for a secure key to be have such permissions. Okay, so we will use chmod 400. So this will give only read access to this key pair. Okay, and as you can see now, it only has read access. Okay, fine. Okay, so we will move to next step now. We will generate the public key for this private key. Okay, -y -f, and then key pair. Okay. So this is the public key generated from the newly created Keypair 2. Now we need to import this to authorized key. Okay. So let's see what we have in authorized key first. Okay. As you can see, this is the public key from the Keypair 1. Okay. So now what we will do is we will import this. We will import the public key from Keypair 2 here. And now, okay, here's one thing. If you want to keep both of the keys, you can do this. Or if you only want to keep one, you can just press this. So this will replace anything inside it. So I'm replacing it. Okay, perfect. Okay, so as you can see, my older key is replaced and I can only see the like public key of the new key pair. Okay. So now we will disconnect the connection. Let's disconnect it. And let's try to connect it. Okay, because we have updated the key pair. Okay. As you can see, this is not working now because we have modified the authorized key permissions. But what you need to do now, we need to update the Keypair. We'll update this. Okay. Let's try to open it. And as you can see, our key pair is updated. Okay. So this is how you rotate your keys in any Linux machine. Okay. So if you have any server working your EC2 machine, so you can do that as well. Okay. And if it's a local Linux machine, in that case, you can generate the key pair private key in your local system and upload it. Okay. So this is how this is done. If you have any queries regarding this, you can drop comments down below, and I will try to help you with all the information that I have. Yeah. I hope you guys found this really helpful, and thank you for your time. Thank you.